My next achiever for tonight is Mr. Satwik Dubey, Director, and Mrs. Unnati Dubey, CANARY, London, Kanpur. Congratulations. CANARY, London, Kanpur is incorporated in the heart of Kanpur, one of Uttar Pradesh's most industrialized town. Founded in 2007, CANARY London spread as a retail brand in Uttar Pradesh. Today, CANARY London having 34 stores in Uttar Pradesh along with 36 stores in nationwide. Being a proud representative, CANARY apparels are recognized and awarded with Best Regional Franchisees 2008 by Franchises India magazine. Keep up the good work. It's also available on Myntra, Flipkart, Limeroad, etc. Congratulations to you. Keep up the good work.